Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to pass machine learning. To truly master machine learning, begin by building a strong foundation in its core concepts. Focus on understanding fundamental algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees. It's crucial to grasp the differences between supervised and unsupervised learning and to understand the mathematical intuition behind each model. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to reviewing these foundational principles and practicing with small datasets to solidify your knowledge. Moving beyond theory, practical application is absolutely vital. Try implementing machine learning algorithms from scratch using Python to truly understand their inner workings. Regularly work through diverse problem sets and case studies, perhaps dedicating 3 to 4 hours weekly to coding exercises. When building models, leverage powerful libraries like scikit-learn. Always analyze your model's performance using appropriate metrics such as accuracy, precision, and recall to identify areas for improvement. As you approach assessments, effective revision becomes paramount. Develop concise notes that summarize key algorithms, formulas, and their applications. Solving previous year's question papers is incredibly beneficial. Aim to complete at least 5 full papers under timed conditions. Consider forming study groups with peers to discuss complex topics and clarify any doubts you might have. Prioritize your study efforts by focusing on topics that carry higher weightage in your syllabus, ensuring maximum impact. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field, so continuous learning is essential. Explore reputable online courses from platforms like Coursera or edX to deepen your knowledge. Stay updated with the latest advancements by regularly reading research papers and industry blogs. Participate in coding challenges on platforms such as Kaggle to hone your problem-solving abilities. Finally, build a strong portfolio of machine learning projects. Even 2 or 3 well-documented projects can significantly demonstrate your practical skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.